Okay, folks. I thought let's try 60 volts and see what happens. Okay. Nothing much else to change. I just changed my capacitor over to a 10 UF capacitor, 600 volts. Seems to still work, so it's good. So let's try it out, see what happens. Alrighty, 60 volts. Look at a rock. Okay, so we've got these lights going on here. What's happening to the amp draw? I might have gone up a smidgen. Yeah, I think that might have. It looks like it's gone up a little bit. But oh yeah. Yeah, they're all coming on really good. Yeah, that amp draw. Yeah, I think it's gone up slightly. Conversion tube.